how to use Threads custom feed for following. Now simply open your application. Then simply tap on the two horizontal bars right over here, and here you'll find the following option right over there. Now from here you'll be able to create your new feed. You can name your feed, search to add specific profiles or topics, and tap done. But you need to follow more profiles to get your feed going as written here. So keep following more profiles. To follow more profiles, simply head back and tap on the search bar, and here you'll find endless amount of followers or following accounts. Simply tap on follow icon right over here. You can also search the username of the account if you know anyone, and tap on follow, and slowly your feed will appear like in the following section. And that's it, guys. In this way you'll be able to create your custom feed for following, and that's it, guys.